Question mark? Question mark. Why do we use double question marks?
Languages with Daniel.
Hello, welcome back to Languages with Daniel. Today we are going to learn an important but very easy topic. How do we make questions in Spanish? In Spanish, we have two ways to make questions. With the interrogative pronouns or just using the verb before the pronoun. So let's see how does it work. Let's look first the questions without interrogative pronouns. ¿Quieres helado? Or ¿Quieres tú helado? Here it's not mandatory to use the pronoun because in Spanish there's something called sujeto tácito, and it refers to the fact that due to in Spanish the conjugations are different for every single pronoun or most of them, sometimes we do not need to put them to express who is doing the action. Let's see other examples. ¿Estás bien? Are you okay? It's kind of the same logic. So let's continue with the interrogative pronouns. We also have them in English. So let's look at the following table. ¿Qué means what? ¿Cuándo? When? ¿Cómo? How? ¿Por qué? Why? ¿Cuál? ¿Cuáles? Which? What's the difference between cuál and cuáles? Cuál works for singular substantive, meanwhile cuáles works for the plural. ¿Dónde? ¿A dónde? ¿De dónde? ¿Where? ¿Dónde express the location in which you are or where something is found. Or ¿a dónde refers to the direction. You are going to the point A to the point B. And de donde makes reference to the origin. De donde refers to the place that you come from or the place where you have been. Finally, we have cuánto, cuánta, cuántos, cuántas. Here it's the same logic. Here cuánto works for the masculine singular words, cuánta for singular feminine words, and for plural masculine we use cuántos, and for feminine plural form we use cuántas. And in English they could be translated as how much or how many. So let's see some examples. ¿Qué quieres comer? Here we are using what as it works also in English. ¿Cuándo termina la lección? ¿Por qué escuchas a Ed Sheeran? ¿Cuál es tu color favorito? ¿Cuáles son tus pasatiempos? ¿Dónde estás? ¿A dónde vas? ¿De dónde vienes? ¿Cuánto cuesta el pan? ¿Cuánta agua bebes al día? ¿Cuántos amigos tienes? ¿Cuántas vacas tiene la granja? Probably you have already noticed that in Spanish it is mandatory to use double question marks at the beginning and at the end. This is used in the formal context if you're writing a letter or you are doing a homework for the university, the school, and so on. But don't worry, if you're just chatting or you are in an informal context, nobody will complain about the double question mark. Just use the question mark at the end and it will be okay. But in general, you can see that this topic is easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, please subscribe, comment, give me a like, share with your friends, your family, and we will see you the next time. Bye!